So not 15 round scene. Illinois State Police, open up. What's going on, sir? Open up.
Hey, what do you want?
Hi, we got a noise complaint. We have also a warrant to come in your house. Can I share the warrant? Can I come in your house? Who's the warrant? It's the warrant.
This is nonsense.
So not 15, I need backup. Oh, you said backup is gonna be... Sir, can you open up? Sir, open up. Ma'am, can you... I meant ma'am. Do you have... I see you have a gun on your right side. Can I see your license for it? Oh, God. Open. Open it now. I'm getting suspicion. Open it now. Open it now.
No.
Open it now. I have my real gun.
Stand back. No.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Show me your hands, please.
This is not gonna help.
Get off of these shots fired. Reloading. Show me your hands. Shots fired.
Stay close.
Shots fired.